Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. Inspire 3, renderings and an update, coming right up. Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. Ocelev's been quite busy the past few days, and he did give us some brand new information regarding the Inspire 3, including some renderings. So without further ado, let's get to it. The first slide has "So Take It" on there, and it has a rendering of the Inspire 3. That's absolute insanity. It just blows my mind how DJI keeps breaking new technology barriers. That's absolutely fantastic. So let's go ahead and go to the second slide. Something really big is coming in the end of the year, I guess. And in this slide, he shows us the three lens systems. The Zenmuse X6, the Zenmuse X7S, and the Zenmuse X8. Now, as you know, these camera lens systems do not come with the base Inspire. The base Inspire is the drone itself. These are separate, and they're a separate purchase from the drone. This is pretty incredible. I mean, they're coming up on total professional filmmaking. And one of the things that DJI is very good at is sharing their technology from the top down, and what you see in the Inspire will trickle down to, say, the Mavic Pro 3, to, say, the Phantom 6, to, say, the Spark 3, things that aren't even on the drawing board yet. So I think that's incredible, and you could read through some of the information regarding the camera lens systems that's on the tweet. The next one says they can do if they want, and on this one he does state some of the statistics regarding the Inspire 3. Top speed of 120 kilometers per hour, top climb speed of 8 meters a second, top descent speed at 10 meters a second, maximum takeoff weight of 5,000 grams, wind resistance of 12 meters a second, flight time 27 minutes with Zenmuse X6, 25 minutes with Zenmuse X7S. Those are some incredible statistics, I think, as far as the speed is concerned, and also the wind resistance. That's one thing that the Inspire series is known for. The next slide, Inspire 3 will make it easy to take off and land on a moving ship. A beacon with GNSS can establish a reference system on the ship based on its coordinate and send it to the drone in real time. So the drone can hover still to the moving ship, not to the ground. Just my concept. Any of you who have tried to land a drone on a moving ship, you know how difficult that is, and my hat's off to you if you've been able to do that successfully. There's quite a few videos out on YouTube of drone pilots who have not been successful in landing on the ship and losing their drones. So again, DJI is coming through with some incredible breakthrough technology with that. And now the last slide, stepless iris control, just like cinema lenses. That's what I want. That is approaching what the major studios use when they film pictures. And to be able to afford it, I'm going to use that word loosely, to be able to afford that, to be in this type of a realm for a professional photographer, that's fantastic. And that's, again, they're breaking ground with something like this. And DJI is so good at stepping down that technology, like I said, down to the Phantom, to the Mavic, to the Spark, and also including the Mavic Air. It's just absolutely fantastic. Thank you all so much for watching. Really, we've been growing like crazy. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Please hit the subscribe button and tell others about the channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page where I post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry, and of course anything DJI related gets out there as well. Also, check out my blog where I post all of these videos, and automatic notifications go out to all of my social media accounts to let everybody know that there's a new video out there. Thanks so much for watching, and happy flying.